Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are working with the align panel to bring order into our shapes. First select all the objects you want to organize. Notice how randomly placed they looked before alignment. Now click align left to anchor everything to one clean edge. You will instantly see perfect vertical consistency. Next use align vertical center to balance their height visually. This creates a polished grid-like appearance. To refine spacing, switch the distribute vertical options. Photoshop automatically calculate even gaps. These elements manual adjustment that waste time. After distribution, add spacing if needed using the move tool and shift drag.